AudioJungle.
Traka 21 is an innovative plug-and-play system that provides small and medium-sized businesses with the very latest in intelligent key management. Traka 21 is simple, efficient and cost-effective. It enables you to trace and account for every key or key set, which are individually locked in place. Best of all, Traka 21 is easy to install and easy to set up. Watch these simple steps to find out for yourself. First, you'll need to fix the unit onto the wall, using all items within the box. You will also need the following fixings. To get you started, assemble the PSU by clipping on the appropriate adapter. Connect the PSU to the system. Make sure this is plugged in before fixing to the wall. Then insert the override key into the system. The door will then open, allowing you to locate the 4 fixing points. Hold the system to the wall and use the spirit level to ensure it is straight. Mark the 4 fixing points through the system using a pen. And drill the 4 fixing points. But don't drill through the system as you might damage it. Secure the unit onto the wall and cover the fixing points with the plugs provided. Then close the door. Plug the system into the nearest power outlet and switch it on, as simple as that. This is the part where we switch from brawn to brains, but don't worry, the setup wizard does most of the thinking for you. Select the language. Input the correct time and date. Familiarise yourself with the terminology. Enter the details of your first admin user and click the Next button. Read the basic setup page and click Next. So there you have it. Admin user is now set up and ready to go. Time to add your additional users. Select Add Standard User. Enter the user details and click Next. Select the keys the user will have access to and click Next. Select any other user options and click Next. Return to main user admin and click Exit. Now to add the keys. Read the Add and Remove Keys page and click Next. Select the IFOBs you wish to add, which will release the IFOB from the system. Add your keys to the IFOB using the supplied security seals, being careful not to cut the seal. Return the IFOB to the system. Enter the description of the key and click Save. It is now simple to access your keys. Simply log in and the keys you are authorised to access can be removed. But it doesn't end there, you also have access to activity reports. There are lots of resources available to help you. So, there you have it, intelligent key management at your fingertips. Easy to install, easy to set up, and easy for admin and users. For more information, refer to the Traka 21 website.